Hello, I'm here to demonstrate the web experiment number 9, which is regarding the XML HTTP request. So here I'm creating two web pages. So when I give input in one web page and it'll check with the database, then checking with the database, after it'll match both of them, it'll navigate to the second page and display the result. So here what I will do is I will create two text boxes, in which first one I have to give the username and the second one I will give password. In the first username text box, before that I have to register. So for that I'm using a form action tag, in which I will navigate to the next page. So this thing I'm doing with the help of a get method. So in the username text box I will be giving onBlur equal to check user of this dot value. Then password is equal to input type equal to password, name equal to password. That's normal type. Then you're going to submit this. So input type equal to submit, value equal to register. Now you're closing the form tag. And then you're going to do a XML HTTP request. In the XML HTTP request, you have to do four major things. The four major things are: you have to first create an XML HTTP object, and then next open the connection, then send a request, then send a request to the server, and then on ready state change. That is, this is used to check the status of the present thing what you are doing. Okay, now here in this function check user of str, I'm creating an XML HTTP request. That is XML HTTP equal to new XML HTTP request. Then I have to open. So XML HTTP dot open of get method second dot php name equal to plus str comma true and there are two things you can use here, that is true or false. One is for asynchronous and the other is for synchronous. So then after that I have to send the request to the server. So XML HTTP dot send. Then next on ready state change. On ready state change is used to display the status of the present thing what you're doing. So here status is two things. There are two statuses. That is, one is 200 to say it is okay, and then one other one is 404 to say that the page is not found. So if this dot ready state equal to 4 and this dot status equal to 2, you're extracting the thing. So document dot get element by id of inner text equal to this dot response. So after this I'll show you the database. See, this is the database where everything is entered. So now when you run this thing, and they'll ask you for the register form, if you give the things which is existing in the database, then only it will help you in navigating to the second page. So in the second page you're using super global variables, and in order to connect with the database you have to use connection statement. That is $connect equal to mysqli underscore connect. In this you'll be having four parameters, that is the local host, the root, and the password, and the current table through which you're searching. Then you're using the query that selects star from users where username like $input. Okay, so here to connect to both of them, the result equal to mysqli underscore query of $connect comma $sql. So now this you have to fetch from the database. In order to fetch from the database you're using a while loop. So it will be mysqli underscore fetch underscore array of $result int equal to hint dot a of 0. So here with the help of all this you're extracting and checking whatever thing, and you will be displaying whichever one you checked. So after all this you're closing the connection. So mysqli underscore close of $underscore connection. So now I will be running the thing. You just check how it will be. See, now I'm giving some value which is there in the database. See, it will be navigating to the next page. So it is there are two things in that. See, there are two things. Two times the name is repeating, that is why it is showing you two times. That is why it's showing you two times. So this is how the code is implemented with the help of XML connecting to the database. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching.